In the heart of the Whimsy Woods, a group of animal friends lived in harmony with nature. Hoot, the wise old owl, Rosie, the quick-witted rabbit, and Boris, the gentle giant bear, would often gather at the ancient oak tree to share stories and wisdom. One day, while exploring the woods, they stumbled upon a hidden clearing with a magical spring. The spring was surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush greenery, and its crystal-clear waters seemed to glow with an otherworldly light. The friends were amazed by the spring's beauty and decided to make it their secret spot. However, as time passed, they began to take the spring for granted. Hoot would use its waters to wash his feathers without thinking about conservation, Rosie would drink from it excessively without considering others, and Boris would use its waters to clean his massive fur coats without worrying about waste. As a result, the spring began to dry up. The flowers began to wilt, and the greenery turned brown. The friends noticed the change but couldn't agree on what was causing it. They each thought the others were responsible for the spring's decline. One day, a wise old badger named Bertha approached them. She explained that the spring's magic was tied to the balance of nature and the friends' actions. She told them that their selfish ways were causing the spring to dry up, and that they needed to work together to restore it. Hoot, Rosie, and Boris realized their mistakes and decided to make amends. They worked together to create a system to conserve water, share its resources, and protect the surrounding ecosystem. Hoot used his sharp eyesight to monitor the spring's water level. Rosie used her speed to fetch plants to stabilize the soil, and Boris used his strength to build a barrier to prevent pollution. As they worked together, the spring began to flourish once more. The flowers bloomed, and the greenery regained its vibrancy. The friends learned the value of teamwork, conservation, and responsibility. Bertha returned to the clearing and smiled, seeing the friends' hard work. She said, "The magic of the spring is not just in its waters, but in the harmony and balance of nature. Remember, every action has a consequence, and working together can lead to wonders." From that day on, Hoot, Rosie, and Boris became guardians of the magical spring, ensuring its waters remained crystal clear and its surroundings remained lush and vibrant. They spread their newfound wisdom to other animals in the forest, promoting a culture of conservation and teamwork. The moral of the story is that our actions have consequences, and working together towards a common goal can lead to remarkable results. By being responsible stewards of nature and valuing teamwork, we can preserve the beauty and magic of our world.